SOM, of course, did quite a bit of work in urban areas in the 50s and 60s and always has. However, in the 60s and the 70s, historically there was an exodus of many of these corporations from the urban core out to suburban areas. One such project in the Northwest was the Weyerhauser headquarters. This is a project that, for me, entering architecture school in 1971, was personally very significant and helped to shape my views of environmental design and response to the site. This project is constructed in the area of Tacoma, Washington, on a 480-acre site for headquarters for a wood product manufacturer. The basic concept here was to design corporate headquarters that integrated the office work, the laboratory work, research work, brought people together in an open and daylit environment that is visually open and compelling. This south view is really quite significant, and one can see once again the deep overhangs that shielded the glazed areas, these long glazed windows from direct sunlight, and yet were positioned in such a way that enabled the low winter sunlight to come in. And in fact, the pond that was out in front of the previous view served as a large reflector for that wintertime sun to reflect the light off the pond to the soffits and then into the office space. And quite naturally, the vegetation served as a shading device and a cooling device, and added this vegetated surface to purify the air. From the interiors, obviously it was very important to have these views to the outdoors, the views to the natural environment, daylight, and also all these wonderful wooded areas to be brought into the interior space. This is the north view, and consequently without the need for the large overhang, bringing the glass much flesher, more flush environment with the skin. And as part of this, an extensive reclamation project was necessary to sculpt the land and to replant the land.